I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering just what's required and launching the VM creation. Download a Mac OS Recovery/Installer ISO and install the latest Virtualbox. Once done, enable virtualization in your firmware so the VM can run at full speed. Create a new VM labeled Mac OS, choose Mac OS 64-bit, assign at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores, and make a 40 GB dynamically allocated VDI. Attach the ISO to the virtual optical drive and power on to start the installer. Next, configure the VM for Mac OS-specific quirks so it boots reliably. Use VBox manage commands to set SMC, system product, and disable certain features that break Mac OS. Make sure EFI is enabled, set chipset, and enable nested paging for performance. Increase video memory to 128 MB and enable 3D if you plan GUI tasks. Boot the VM into the installer environment. Open Disk Utility to format the virtual disk as apps, and then proceed with the Mac OS installer to copy files and begin the initial setup. Finally, complete the standard Mac OS setup by creating your user account and configuring preferences, then install system updates. Once booted, set up shared folders and clipboard via Virtualbox features or command line. Take a snapshot so you can roll back before major changes. If you hit boot loops or kernel panics, try the troubleshooting tip. Power off, adjust the VM chipset or CPUID using VBox Manage. Disable USB 3.0 or change graphics settings and retry. These changes often resolve common compatibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.